I'm Amanda Miller from Houlihan Lawrence, and welcome to 24 Meadow Lane in Greenwich, Connecticut. On the outside, this is a classic Georgian colonial, brick all the way around with a beautiful slate roof, and we're set on over 2 acres with beautiful gardens. It's absolutely classic and charming and lovely. And it's a big surprise when you walk inside. This is not your grandmother's colonial from the 30s. It is an absolute departure on the inside with a modern flair, completely renovated, seamless additions, and it's a treat for the eyes. As you can see, the video speaks for itself. This is a stunning home with a modern aesthetic that is turnkey and ready for the lucky buyer to make their own. Feel free to call me and I'd be happy to give you a tour.